Hey, good morning, everybody. Hey, one of the things we wanted to go over too is a ties tip that a lot of times we forget to do the battery disconnects on your RV or your travel trailer or your fifth wheel. It is cold out, it's winter time up here. A lot of times we forget and we just turn off all the lights and we think that that's going to save our batteries. All of a sudden we go in there a couple of weeks later and your batteries are dead and you're like, man, I had all the lights off. What could possibly go wrong? Well, what we forget and we overlook is that we have our smog detector or smoke detector and some other things that are hardwired in, and we don't realize that those draw a charge off your battery. So locate your disconnect switch on your batteries and make sure you turn your disconnect switch off in the off position to help maintain your batteries, so that way when you want to go use it, you have some battery life left still. Also, I learned here this last week that a lot of people that want to do solar systems or want to do upgrades or want a fifth wheel or other things, a lot of people have in a mindset that 6-volt batteries are the way to go. But you can never use the 6-volt batteries in anything but a motorized unit. You don't want to use them in a fifth wheel, you don't want to use them in your travel trailer, because coinciding those together, you're going to burn those up. So, and mostly on Forest River products, yes. And my technician Jerry just brought that up to my point. But anyway, make sure we turn our disconnects off in the wintertime right now. If you're in Arizona right now, you have no worries right now. You're enjoying the sunshine. But up here in the Northwest, it's cold. Our batteries will drain. And when we want to go use that unit, then you're calling and saying, hey, I got some defaulty batteries. But a lot of times we overlook that. So anyway, ties tip of the day, make sure we turn our disconnects off so we maintain our batteries. Give us a call if you need anything, 503-860-3356. Call us for any service needs. We have service available right now. We're open. Schedule an appointment for anything winterization or de-winterization also. Thank you so much. Have a great day.